Why does your scanner show the P2681 engine code? What does it mean? P2681 is a diagnostic trouble code for the engine coolant bypass valve control circuit open. It indicates an issue with the engine coolant bypass valve control circuit. It means that an error has been detected in the engine coolant bypass valve control circuit by the powertrain control module. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty coolant bypass valve. Damaged harness for the coolant bypass valve. Poor electrical connection. Cracked gear in the coolant bypass valve. Damaged wiring or connectors. Loose wiring or connectors. Low coolant level. Temperature sensor issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code can appear in various vehicles that have an electronically controlled valve, including some Audi and Dodge vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.